Now, recent figures have showed that 71% of people across the UK still commute by car, and more people go to work by walking or by bicycle than they do by train.
Yeah, and the reason for that is very simple. Train tickets are enormously expensive, and they're enormously expensive because trains are enormously expensive to build.
But why are trains expensive to build? Why has Britain's last train maker recently laid off half its workforce? Surely there is a solution to this problem. I mean, how hard can it be?
This is a Jaguar XJS. It's 22 years old and it cost us £4,500.
For that, we got the convertible version with the big engine, the 300 horsepower, 5.3-litre V12. Really does go like a train, this car, and that is what got us thinking, because could it actually be a train?
To find out, I took it to Top Gear's secret railway development centre in Leicestershire, just off the A46 near Thurcarston, where we cued the music and set to work.
Perfect.
Ah! Finally, our XJ Express was ready.
So, what we've done is replace the standard wheels with train wheels, and that's it. Nothing else. The cost savings are phenomenal, because a normal railway locomotive is £4 million. This was, in total, £4,750.
That is an enormous saving.
It's not much more than 1,000th of the cost.
Exactly. If we were running this from Peterborough to London, I don't know what a season ticket is to do that, but many thousands of pounds a year.
Yeah.
This would be 20 or 30 pence.
It was time for the Jaguar's inaugural run.
I don't think you need to turn that.
We could have taken this off.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes.
History is in the making.
Drive.
We are pulling out of the station. The steering is weird. Steering and everything.